and say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby.
Hi, welcome to my home. Today I am adding some sweet and soft romantic touches for Valentine's Day. Seasonal living is something that I hold very close to my heart, and one way I celebrate the different seasons and holidays is by refreshing my decor each month in my home. One of my most favorite things about decorating for the month of February is the color palette that I associate with it because of the holiday that falls in the middle of the month. I am such a girly girl at heart, and I think Valentine's decor can be so feminine and beautiful, so I love adding pink and red and florals to my home. I feel like it's such a lovely prelude to spring decorating after I've enjoyed my winter decor for the month of January, and just a really fun way to bring a little fresh vibrance into my space. I am so happy that you are here to decorate with me today, and I hope that you enjoy this video. If you decorate with me here throughout the seasons, you will notice that I love to add ribbons and bows to things like vases and lanterns. I really love to add ribbons to just about anything I can get away with. It's just something that I've always done. It's easy to switch out the ribbons and colors throughout the seasons. I think it gives a very personal touch to the decor, and it brings in a little bit of soft texture to the design that I always tend to love. You will see a lot of faux florals in this video today. Some of them are from Hobby Lobby. The single stem roses are all from Amazon. I was really impressed with the quality of these. One tip I can give when you're working with faux florals is to be sure and open up the buds just a little bit. This will give them a more natural look once they're placed.
Some people try to get tired if you don't have a reason. It's hard to make it.
What is Valentine's Day decorating without at least a few paper hearts, right? I used Canva to find these adorable watercolor heart graphics. I just printed them on my home computer on watercolor paper, and now I'm cutting them out to use in my decor. I also printed little love notes to use. I decided to give them a soft edge by ripping the paper instead of cutting them out with scissors. I'm now adding a few of the paper hearts and notes to this chalkboard that I found at Hobby Lobby. I am using washi tape for this because it is not only cute, but it won't damage the surface. I decided all the pretty pink and white needed just a little pop of red this Valentine's Day, so I'm adding a few thoughtfully placed red roses to the arrangements.
'Cause after all this time, you're still on my mind. I'll never forget you, baby.
These lanterns are some of my very favorite decor pieces in my home, and I get asked about them all the time here on YouTube. I stumbled upon these about 4 years ago at a local boutique, and it was love at first sight. I knew I had to have these. Unfortunately, because I found them at a local specialty shop, I haven't been able to find anything similar to share with you here online, but I am always on the lookout. So if I ever find a link to something similar, I promise I will share it here with you.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only. Like I told you, I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah. I'll be there. Ooh, I'll be there. And when I'm at home, I got no one to hold. Won't you tell me I'll be there? If my mind is reeling from the stress that I'm feeling, I need you. I'll be there. I just need your love, and I long for your touch. Won't you tell me I'll be there?
Now I'm just working on my dining table centerpiece. I wanted to do something a bit romantic on the dining table for February, so I decided to use these glass domes that I found at a rummage sale, and I'm also using some candles and floral garland just to finish out the look.
I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah. Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only. Like I told you, I'll be there. 'Cause if you get blue, I got the loving for you. I'll show, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. Yeah, I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah.
For my breakfast table, I am doing something a little more fun, so I'm using this faux tulip arrangement from Home Goods and this cute love vase set from Amazon. I think it turns out so adorable. I also found these little tulips that I'm adding to the love vases at the Target dollar spot.
There's a heavy weight you've been trying to hold on to, but you can lay it all down with me.
All the books I have on this table are so special because they're all from my grandfather's book collection. The Emerson book was actually one of his college books. His handwritten notes are still inside, which I think is so incredibly neat. It's one of my most treasured keepsakes. I love to keep it out in my home so I can see it and think of him every single day.
Give me all of your love, all of your love. Yeah, baby, you gotta hold on to what we got and give me all of your love, all of your love. 'Cause me and you, we got a good thing going. Don't cast it off. Just let this love keep showing. Yeah. Ooh. You say you're tired and you're growing weary. I'm here to give you everything you need. Your heartaches and pain will all heal with time, girl. Your love is mine if we plant the seed. And baby, you gotta hold on to what we got and give me all of your love, all of your love. Yeah, baby, you gotta hold on to what we got and give me all of your love, all of your love.
Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you again next week with another video. Until then, happy decorating!